Hello everyone! Have you heard these terms multimodal text, memorize speech, and critique? If you do, then I'm sure that you will like this little workshop of ours. These three will be used here in an entertaining way, and if you're not familiar with them, let me introduce them to you. Let's start with multimodal text. Multimodal can be classified as print-based or digital. An example of print-based is a poster used in a film. On the other hand, digital-based are the one that we can access using internet or any gadgets. An example of this is a music video, Paubaya by Moira. Moving on to memorize speech. In here, the speaker practices on how she or he will deliver the scripts. By memorizing it word by word, an example of this is a movie scene. And lastly, critique. A critique is a formal analysis and evaluation of a work. It summarizes and critically evaluates someone's work. We do critique to understand the purpose of the work and to point out its strengths and weaknesses. And this is our performance task in English 10, where we incorporated these three topics in an entertaining way. Now, let's move forward to our presentation in 3, 2, 1.
Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Ito ay nangangailangan ng patnubay at gabay ng magulang para sa mga batang manonood.
George, halika na. Magkakasakit ka dito. Umuwi na tayo.
Diyan ka lang. Diyan ka lang.
George! Magkakasakit ka eh, George!
Putik. Ayak ka na naman eh. Palibasa kasi. Alam na alam mo kung paano kukunin eh. Isang ngiti. Isang kanta. Isang akap, isang sorry. Wala. Umiikot na ulit yung mundo ko. Putik, primo. Matalino kong tao eh. Pero pagdating sa'yo, ewan ko, natatanga ako. Ano na naman yung kapalit kapag binalikan na naman kita? Titigil na naman yung mundo ko para sa'yo. Ilang taon na naman ang buhay ko ang sasayangin ko. Alam mo ba si Miko? Ayun, magiging doktor na. Si Jessica, happily married. Ako, eto, sinusubukan pa rin bumangon para bawiin lahat ng nawala sa akin nung iniwan mo ako.
Josh, I'm sorry.
And what makes that story different from all your other stories before? Halos 7 taon ang buhay ko. Binigay ko sa'yo, primo. At sa 7 taon na yun, isang beses lang ko nagsabing pagod na ako. Isang beses lang ako nagtanong kung kaya ko pa ba. Isang beses lang ako nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob para sabihin kung ano talaga yung nararamdaman ko. Na nasasaktan na ako. Na nauubos na ako. Isang beses, sa napakaraming beses na pwede ako sumuko, pero hindi ko ginawa. Pero isang beses lang din pala yung kailangan mo para sumuko. Para umalis. At hindi na bumalik. I needed you to fight for us that night.
George.
Because I was so tired fighting alone. Yung kahit sabihin kong umalis ka, hindi ka alis. Kasi kilala mo ako eh. Alam mo na nasabi ko lang yun kasi pagod ako. Pero mahal kita.
Jo, mahal pa din naman kita eh. Mahal pa din kita, Jo.
Pero isang beses lang ako napagod. Iniwan mo na ako. Yan ba yung pagmamahal mo, Primo? Huh? How could you give up so easily? How did you not find the reason to stay? Hindi na ako papayag na ubusin mo ko ulit. Pagtigil ng ulan, pag-uwi ko I want you gone. I'll just get in touch with you kapag may kailangan ipasign. Kapag nabenta na yung bahay.
Ang nakalipas ay babalik natin. Ipapaalala ko sa'yo.
I don't know why I came here. I mean, what are we doing? We're sitting here, and we're eating, and we're talking, but no one's actually saying anything.
What do you want me to say? What do you want to talk about?
Why didn't you call? Why didn't you call me? I mean, did I not deserve any more explanation than the letter? You couldn't have called me. You couldn't have given me some sort of chance to like change your mind. Don't you think you owed me that?
I couldn't.
You couldn't? You thought that little me that you couldn't have just called me? Why?
Because I couldn't.
Give me an answer. Why? Why not?
Because I
I
couldn't.
want an answer.
Because just hearing your voice, I would have changed my mind. Is that what you want to hear, John? Is that what you came all this way to hear from me? You think it was tough out there? Think what? It was easy for me without you? You really thought that every single day it wasn't a damn marathon of my life? Tim was sick! He was sick and he needed me. He needed me to help him. He needed me to help him with Alan, with everything. I was alone and I had no idea what I was doing. I didn't plan this. I didn't know that it's gonna happen to me. But it did. But you don't think I've tried? I picked up the phone 1,000 times to try to call you. You really think that I wouldn't be standing here in front of you like this? no choice.
I know.
Hoy! Ba, di ka nagulat ah. Mukhang na-expect mo na talaga ako.
Expect in your dreams.
Agaw po para managinip. Ito naman narinig ko kasi na magla-lunch break na kayo.
So?
Sabihin na lang. Pag na tayo dito kumain, may alam akong karindira masarap tsaka malinis.
Why?
Bakit masarap tsaka malinis? Hindi ko alam. Tanong natin yung may-ari mamaya.
No, I'm asking you why. Bakit mo gusto makipag-lunch with me?
Para may kasabay ka.
Why?
Para di ka mag-isa.
Why?
Higa dalawa. Ito naman lunch lang naman eh.
Because your answers don't make sense.
Gusto ko itong makasama. Okay na ba yung sagot ko na gusto ko itong makasama?
Kung gusto mo ang isang tao, mahihirapan ka ng alisin siya sa isip at puso mo. So my suggestion to you is find a distraction. Find a better guy. And maybe somebody who's not kadire.
No. I'm not having lunch with you. Because you're kadire.
Anong kadiri? Bakit lang beses ko palang inulit tong pantalon na to?
I like your eyes, you look away when you pretend not to care. I like the dimples on the corners of the smile that you wear. I like you more the world.
I'm sorry. Sorry. Josh. I'm sorry. Napagod ako. Sorry. Wala ako. Takot ako kasi hindi kita mahal noon. Pinigil ko lahat. Pinigil ko sa'yo lahat. Naubos lang ako. Sorry. Nasaktan kita.
Sorry. Sorry kung wala ko namang panahon kailangan mo. Sorry kung wala ko nung mga panahon kailangan mo na makakabitan. Sorry kung hindi kita naprotektahan. Lang kita naprotektahan. Takot ako. Sobra. Pero gusto ko nandun ako. Gusto ko nandun ako kung nasasaktan ka. Pero ba? Siguro dahil alam ko na rin na hindi talaga tayo para sa isa't isa.
Sinubukan naman natin, di ba? Laban naman natin. Di ba?
Yeah. I tried. Gusto ko lang mag-thank you sa lahat ng memories na binigyan mo sa akin. Masaya ako sa lahat ng pagsama natin. Masaya ako na masaya ka.
Gusto kong maging masaya ka rin. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh God. Malaman mo na natawad na kasi.
Pinapatawad din kita.
Kailangan ko. Take care of yourself. Hindi.
At kung masaya ka sa piling niya, hindi ko na pipilit pa. Ang tanging hiling ko lang sa kanya.
Tonight, I'm gonna have myself a real good time. I feel alive, and the world turning inside out, yeah. Floating around in ecstasy.